On dudes, and today welcome back to another video, and you can see I'm a new and I'm on an alt account because yes, think my sister's using my account right now, so I made a new one. Yeah, I'm gonna be playing Beehive Simulator, so let's get started. Who's this Annette guy? Hello, it's me, developer. It's a developer or the creator. I don't know. Here to wish you Happy New Year and Merry Beesmas. What is a Merry Beesmas? What is a Merry Beesmas? I don't know you. You look like the type of weird guy that has no friends and your friends are bees. Whatever. We're celebrating both at the same time. Thank you so much for another year of loyalty to this game. Even when it takes a while for new content, the players have stuck with it. And in the end, that's what created this awesome community, which inspires me to try best to expand the game. Stay true to what brought people here in the race, the bees, the bears, and the gameplay, the general guest. What is it? I don't know. I thank you for playing during the winter event. Here are a few gifts. A present. You can exchange with the next PC of your choice for ornament. Star Jelly, which grants a random gifted bee. That sounds like Encanto, where you get gifted. Encanto is a movie. If you have seen it, you know what I'm saying, but if you haven't, yeah, so you might don't know. Okay. Some other smaller, less important novelty stuff. And the Honey Day event buff, which grants soup pollen among us. Hope this of starting New Year shows. Thank you again for having me in honey making. Okay. What did I claim it? Okay, so yeah. I have this and open the menu. What? Okay. Played Egg Simulator before. Wait, this is my egg. Okay. Yes, basic egg. I got a common bee, of course. My luck is bad. What if... Okay, so yes. Let's get on to this. Oh, what's happening over here? Oh no. Whoa, what? I'm getting it so fast. Okay, so I fall, but okay, so I'm doing this part. Oh! I'm going back to the container because it just seems like where everyone... A balloon? Wait, there's the balloon following. Why is the balloon following me? Okay, then following me. Okay, make cutting. What's this? Oh, that's a blessing. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna get... Wow, I get 40. I got 29 and 8 more. How much is the next? 1,000. Okay. That's kind of too much, but... Oh. Wait, is that a force field? Was that a force field? The frog was a force field. No, I fell. I'm gonna get making this honey. And I'm gonna continue going up until I get that royal jelly. That royal, oh my. I can't even get it. Because it seems like my container's full, so yeah. Look at this guy, he has so much. And I don't even have, I just have a regular V. Oh, still collecting honey. Yes, okay. Come on, birdie bird. Come on, bee. Come on, lazy bee. Come on. For sure. And I remember you can buy stuff from the shop there. I see the shop name. I think the strat here is to get as much backpack as I can. Ignore the ball, you guy. Ignore the ball. I am not bald. I am not bald, guys. Please do not. Wait, I am not bald. I am not bald. I don't know what that name is, but I am not bald. Trust me, guys, I am not bald. I mean, what? I can't even pronounce words anymore. No, there's no more. Oh, at least I can keep collecting. I got royal jelly. I got 2 royal jelly actually. Ha. Yes. Look at it. Yes. And I'm currently listening to the song. If you hear Moana background and Encanto background and some, yeah. If you hear that, because I'm hearing a song right now. Whoosh. I know. I'm not dumb. Hey, why did he get one? Yeah. But why did he get the... Wait. Is actually the that's holding this, or wait. Where's my eggs? There's an epic. Yes. Wow, demon bee. I got 2 rare bees now. This should be fun. This should be fun with all of them. They're gonna scoop up some honey. Oh, that scared me. Kill. The bees killed them instantly. What is this frozen? You mocked me like that. You mocked me. What's this? One ticket instant covered. What does it keep saying? Go to your What does it keep saying me to go there? I don't know. Okay, so yeah. Wait, what? I already converted my honey. Can I have a
Stop screaming! Shelby, please?
Okay, let's go buy some things from the shop.
The cup.
Buy some things from the shop. Okay. Can I can't even count. 800? I could buy a starter egg for that. And there's a bee. There's the honeybee. Wait, that's a honey. Oh, why are they? Oh, why are they crying? Why is my blue one crying? Come on, come on, come on. What? Wait. Wait, it's not okay. These. I got a bumblebee and a cool bee. I'm gonna gift it. Okay. Okay, I got cool bees. And that's a quest, but I'm not gonna grab it. You two come follow me. To demo.
And it's literally Literally.
Yes.
No, that's just a smudge. No, it's not.
I need to get 800 now. That's gonna take a while.
7, 8.
Or maybe not.
Ready?
I think by the end of this video, I'm gonna get like 5. I'm gonna end it when I get 5. What was it? Yeah. When I get, basically when I get 5 bees. No, wait, maybe let's drop it down to 3 bees. So after I get the next one, it's all over. But I'm gonna buy this one for now. Why is this one sad? You sad, I will grab you with a club. Sing. Fine. Let's talk to I'll be there. Hell. Well, oh, hell. Well, you wouldn't know. It's me, Bee Bear, the magical gifting honey bear. Huh. What? Wow! Here to celebrate. You see me jumping in the background there? Bro, the reindeer. There I am, jumping. Wow. here to celebrate the most wonderful time of the year. Beesmas! Again, what's with Beesmas? A joyous season of snow, gifts, and most of all bees. I've brought along my festive bee, my reindeer puppy bee, and of course my cup buddies. Ho ho! You're not Santa! Say, will you help us jolly up this map? Let's make it merry. If you complete 5 casts, I will give you a star early. Okay. In 10 casts, I will give you some goodies, including a festive platter and 3 smoothies. And if you help me complete 5 quests, I'll give you a cub buddy of your own. Or a star treat if you're already. Second. Okay, I'm done. I did something. And that's not a ho-ho. I found even more gifts for you hidden in the map. If you have other bears around, you can decorate. Yes, you can just read it on the screen. Collect 10 red pollen and 5 outside wash it. Peel. Oh, man. Oh my! Oh, it wasn't even close. It wasn't even close. And guys, if you want to see more of these bee swarm simulator, be sure to like that button and please subscribe. Please subscribe, and if you want to see more content like this. Anyways, guys, see you all in the next time. I'm here with Noob Bear, and he's crying. So long.